And a second case of forcing this assembly and design doctor uh, to work. So as you may remember, this piece, it has a additional extrusion defined with an angle that allows uh, to make angle to make this face in an angle to this one. So I will now do the following. I will update that, and as previously I will try to force it into position against its constraint. Now we have a error occurred during update, everything is fine. We asked the design doctor what's happening, and mate 18 is in conflict with the geometry. So it is obviously true, because you cannot have a mate between this face and the washer, because the washer is constrained perpendicular to the axis of the bolt, which is perpendicular to this face. So we have a very good solution from the design doctor. Once I go here and I will remove the inconsistency, everything is brought back to normal, including the design doctor validating the flexible subassembly. But when I do the following, I will go here, I will update that, I will change it to 85, then I will exit that, I will exit that, I will accept that, and I have a design doctor showing me a failure. Then when I add to the mesh and update that to 20, I'm getting still everything is fine, because the assembly is bad. So now I will undo what I have just done, and I will undo that. Only this time this doctor indicates there still is a problem with the flexible subassembly, and it points us to the mate 7 relationship, which is mate 7. It is the range constraint of the other subassembly. So design doctor says mate 7 is not in order, but mate 7 is from 1 to 18 millimeters. So now this is 11, so it is perfectly in the range of mate 7, which is from I cannot see it here, but I will open that and I will examine the mate 7 constraint, edit, and it says 18 to 1, and for some reason design doctor says it is broken even in the flexible subassembly itself, when this constraint has nothing to do with anything, and as you can see it works fine. So design doctor tells me this is in conflict. This is in conflict with what? This is in conflict with nothing. So this is another example of bad behavior of the design doctor. This brings us to the point that there is a bug somewhere in the assembly validation algorithm and the data preparation for the constraint solver that in reality prevents from using flexible sub-assemblies and flexible components in Inventor.